for employment production relations. Same time, I want to extend a warm and our national commitment to a family. Warm welcome this morning. Thank you very much indeed.
Bula Vinaka, and a very good morning to you all. Today marks an important event in our commitment to fight and eliminate child labor, forced labor, and human trafficking from Fiji, and indeed from all our nations. Ladies and gentlemen, I begin with a brief background on the Alliance 8.7 agenda, which was agreed by the Fijian government on 16th November 2019 in Argentina. The Fijian government has continued to strengthen its policies to ensure we meet our obligation on Alliance 8.7. Fiji is identified as one of the countries to be a pathfinder, as mentioned earlier on, nation in the 2017 of eliminating all forms of child labor, forced labor, and human trafficking. I commend you all for joining hands in this fight, and together we can give our children a future that is free and for them to make informed decisions. I acknowledge the International Labour Organization for their continued guidance and support towards the Fijian government in ensuring that we meet our timeline in reaching towards identified sustainable development goals and our commitments to the SDG Alliance 8.7 to ensure the whole of government's approach. Ladies and gentlemen, we need this approach to continuously review plans, policies, and programs to eliminate child labor, forced labor, and modern slavery from our societies. We ensure that we give the best possible care and protection to our children as they are the future. The task ahead requires a multi-sectoral approach and working together. I'm grateful to see many stakeholders here this morning to work together on our common goals, and I commend you all. I also thank the United Nations Development Partners, including the International Office for Migration, for their guidance and assistance towards the Fijian government in implementing plans for the 17 SDG goals. It's only through hard work and coordinated effort that we will achieve and make Fiji a better place to live and work. Ladies and gentlemen, sadly, child labor and forced labor are still prevalent in the 21st century. The Fijian government stands with the international community, making it clear that child labor, forced labor, and human trafficking in today's world is intolerable. They represent a violation of fundamental human rights and undermine economic and social development. In Fiji this year, the government held events to mark the 140th year of the end of the indentured Indian labor to Fiji. In many ways and forms, this form of labor migration was forced labor and commonly called out by human rights activities at the turn of the 1900s as another form of slavery. These historical events have been inclusive of awareness of blackbearding of Pacific Islanders known as Kanakas, and in particular from the Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, as another disgraceful form of forced labor to Fiji, Queensland in Australia, and as far as Peru. In both instances, the use of forced child labor was institutionalized, and children as young as 9 years old worked adult hours and adult tasks in Fiji's colonial plantations. Ladies and gentlemen, it seems unthinkable that almost a century and a half later, we are still addressing issues from that era. Thankfully, global opinion is united against such oppression of people, and such acts are illegal across the world. The 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development Goals, adopted by the all 193 United Nations member states, call for immediate and effective measures to eradicate forced labor and modern slavery and human trafficking, and secure the prohibition and elimination of worst forms of child labor, including recruitment and use of child soldiers, and by 2025, end child labor in all its forms. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2013 Fijian Constitution, under Chapter 2 of the Bill of Rights, provides for a wide range of human as well as social and economic rights guaranteed to all Fijians. The tripartite partners, the employers, and the workers' organization. We must continue to work hand in hand in ensuring that we attain decent work and employment growth for all Fijians. My ministry, through the Labour Standard Services and the National Occupational Health and Safety Services, enforces laws for the better and safe working conditions. We will continue to reform laws through our progressive labor reforms programs to ensure better protection for all workers and employers in Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, the 4th Global Conference on Sustained Eradication of Child Labor, hosted by the government of Argentina in November 2017, provided an opportunity to further discuss the challenges faced. The Fijian government, through my ministry, has pledged to act on child labor, forced labor, and human trafficking. Not only that, but Fiji volunteered, as mentioned earlier on, volunteered to be a pathfinder country in the Pacific on Alliance 8.7. And we remain committed to leading the region in the eradication of all forms of forced labor, and in particular, that of children. Today provides an opportunity to reaffirm our actions and commitments on this. It is an opportunity to protect and nurture the innocence of our children and the dignity of all people to choose when it comes to the rights and opportunities to work. Let us join hands and ensure that we move towards a better Fiji by eliminating all forms of child labor, forced labor, and human trafficking from our society. And while I'm happy to report that we have minimal instance of it in Fiji, it remains a sad and more widespread problem in many parts of the world. It not only deprives the young, but also deprives the nation of their potential to rise beyond labor through education. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to leave with the words of Nelson Mandela, and I quote, "There can be no keener revelation of society's soul than the way in which it treats its children," end of quote. I wish you all the best for the 2 days of your deliberation and look forward to seeing dynamic resolutions and plans in your outcome statements. Vinaka, and thank you.
In countering trafficking issues. In Turkmenistan, prior to joining I.
Thank you. Count on three. 1, 2, 3.